baby loves, my baby loves. No, I need your love. I don't know the words to this song, so I'ma make them up as I go. I just want to welcome you back, yeah. Good morning. What's up, y'all? So, clear as day. I skipped a day yesterday. I'm definitely better than I have been being with attempting to do this YouTubing thing, but I'm not as good as I would like to be for what I said I'm doing this year, right? So I'm headed to work, and y'all can't really see me because it is 5:15 in the a.m. and I'm usually going in for 7. Yeah, so I'll be there for 5:30. Yeah, hour and a half early. My plan was to be there for 5, but that ain't work. So yeah, we were given the option to do a flex schedule this morning. The earliest we could have come was 5 a.m. Again, like I said, I'm running a little behind for the time that I wanted to be there, but that's okay. I'm still gonna be getting off an hour and a half earlier, which is great for me. Especially on a Friday. If you get off 30 minutes early on a Friday, you winning. So hey, and I have on y'all can't see my shirt, but I designed this shirt. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, I designed it, so it's my little casual look for today. We get to dress down on Fridays. I think I may have said that in my last Friday vlog, but if I didn't, I'm saying it now. Okay, and yesterday, let's see, how did yesterday go? Let me rewind. Yesterday was cool. Yeah, I think everything was pretty like laid back or whatnot. Once I got home, I got home at a decent time and everything. Like, I didn't have to do any store runs or errands or anything yesterday, so I was just like happy-go-lucky when I got off from work. I went straight home. I had time to interact and play with my kids, you know. Very happy about that. Anytime I get time to spend time with the kids is great. Even like during the pandemic, the pandemic is still going on, but during the time when everything was, I was gonna say at a height, but it's even higher of a height now. But when everything was still fresh, you know, I was working from home and I enjoyed it mostly. I enjoyed it. Now, there did become a time where I was like, oh my gosh, like I'm ready to be around some adults. Y'all talking to a 3 and a 4-year-old every day in the world on lockdown. Like, I need some grown folk interaction. Somebody can tell me some jokes so I can laugh. Somebody can tell me some stories so I can react to them. Like, oh, it was tough. Oh my God, it was tough. But I survived. Oh yeah, I survived. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'm still alive. That's what kept me, the love of Jesus. Jesus, 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 Jesus. I love to praise your name. Y'all know that song? Love to lift him up. We bless your name. Sweet Jesus, 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 Jesus. Hey. If y'all don't know it, y'all need to find it. It's on here. It's on YouTube. Love it. I love them. I love them. It's some I want to call them some little girls. Y'all don't really know how old they are, but it's some young ladies. So beautiful. Demons tremble, mountains move. I think that's what it say, but y'all, I'm not good with the words to songs, any songs. And it's like I always catch certain parts, and then the rest of it, I don't know. I don't know what happened. Some don't be holding something. My medical juggler, single pella. I don't be able to remember stuff with them songs, y'all. It be a fight, like a fight to the finish. I'm gonna start doing something though. Like I saw a video on TikTok. Shout out to TikTok. It was a lady doing something like this with her finger. Was this her index finger? No, her pointer finger and her thumb. And she said it works on brain memory, so it increases your brain memory. But it's both hands. It's shoot the thumb. Okay. It's like this. Oh, see, child. The pointer finger is supposed to point to the thumb, so that's why it's called shoot the thumb. Yeah, I'm gonna keep practicing, baby. I don't know if I could go around this big truck or not, but I sure want to. Cause come on now, y'all tripping. Which it ain't their fault, it's my fault. If I wanted to be earlier, if I wanted to be at the crack, I should have been earlier. Are they waiting on me? I think they're waiting on me. I want to go and they start turning. Oh, yeah, thank you. The gate's not open anyway, so how is he going to get in there? Is he going to back up? Y'all, I'm nosy sometimes. That ain't my business. Oh, that ain't my business. Y'all, oh, I'm so hungry. Oh, my stomach. Wow. I cooked some fish last night. Some fish fillet. With some Creole with some Creole fish seasoning, some fish fillet with some Creole. That don't sound right. But I cooked some catfish fillet last night, and I used that good old Louisiana fish fry Creole spices. Y'all missed it if y'all ain't from no boat. What better place to be from than Louisiana? I guess New York cool too, but yeah. Y'all, when I was thinking about coming to work this early, at first I was like, I'm going to the front door. Because I ain't got time for nothing, you know. But, I brought my little hot air through the back door. I brought my little hot air through the back door. Whew. Okay, so I know this ride has been dark the whole time. I don't know if I'm going to upload this because of the darkness or not, but if I just so happen to, I just want to tell y'all I love y'all, and I miss talking to y'all, and I'll see y'all soon. Make sure I smell good. You know what I'm saying? Even if it don't last long. Yeah, I know these body sprays don't last worth a goddamn. But alright, y'all, I'm out of here. I love you. I love you. I love you. This is for you, and you. Mwah. Bye.